what's going on, you guys? We are tinting the headlights, taillights, and side markers of the Mustang, okay? So right here from CJ Pony Parts, about $85 right here. It comes with the full array of different tints that fit the car. Then I got my heating gun, got it from Amazon. $17. But anyways, that's there. We're gonna unbox it real quick. But first, before we get to the unboxing, check this out. I just wanted to say, we got another giveaway coming at 2,000 subscribers, okay? Guess what's coming in? I'm wearing it. That's what's coming, man. You're gonna get this red tech fleece right here, okay? And then this shirt, I don't know if you're ready. Y'all see it right there, man. That is a signature piece. Every day you wake up with a chance and a choice with the Mark Jimmy signature and that fire logo right there. But anyways, back to the video at hand. We're getting ready to unbox this stuff and we're gonna get to putting it on. It's gonna be real quick. Let's go. Boom. First and foremost, we got the heating gun. So this comes with 4 attachments. So get this all out there. It kind of reminds me of my girl hair dryer, you know, when she's doing my hair, you know what I'm saying? I got the braids. Y'all see my little antennas? Y'all see my antennas? Oh, okay. So anyways, there it is go. How they do it like that? Yeah, okay. Now let's go ahead and get this all unboxed. It kind of looks like a little treasure map, you know what I'm saying? But you already know what we're expecting from this. Okay. Ooh, there it is. Oh, we get that up out of there. But yeah, we got all the pieces, all the little tint for this, okay? And we're gonna get right to it. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Let's go. With the s650, the tri-bars are straight, and with this one, we got that super aggressive curve. You can judge me, it's okay. This is not my expertise. The mistake I made was not watching the video that CJ Pony Parts provided. I was like, man, I got this, acting like an idiot. So my fiance pretty much had to come behind me, and she's really capable, man. We got it all smoothed out right here. We just got to X-Acto this part on the edge. It's not gonna really matter that much with this being X-Acto because there's no light beaming from the side of it. These two went extremely good. I left a little bit of meat hanging off of this one, but I got some extra tint on here from like parts from the premium, like, you know, little mirror turning signal ones, and I could just kind of salvage that and put that in the spaces where it's needed. But other than that, it looks really smooth. It took me all of probably like 1.5 to 2 minutes to put these on. How could you ask for forgiveness after the way that you hurt me? Whoa, you let me down in the darkness. Don't be like me. Please don't be like me. Go watch the video on CJ Pony Parts YouTube channel. If you're gonna do this, or if you're already smart enough and you know how to do this, do that first. Don't be like me. I would rate this on a scale of 1 to 10 in terms of difficulty. If you're looking to do this, I'll probably rate it about like a 3. If you haven't done tint before, you gotta be really freaking like patient. Probably should take you no more than about 45 minutes, maybe an hour. That was for me. It took me about a couple because I was just new to the game. All right, so if I had to rank from the hardest to the easiest, hardest was the taillights. Easiest was the side markers. Right in between, kind of teetering towards hardest, I'd say about medium or intermediate was the headlights. But listen, we're gonna wrap this video up, man. I wanted to make it short and sweet for you guys. Just show a quick little install, just see what it looked like. It looked real good, real aggressive. And before I go, first of all, I'd like to tell you guys, thank you for always tuning into my videos. And your boy just made partner on YouTube, man. And that didn't just happen by accident. So I appreciate everybody that's always tuning in and just watching the videos, man. It means a lot. So remember, we hit the last one at 1,000. Got another giveaway coming, man. The red tech, like I said earlier in the video, is gonna be included in the shirt. If y'all need to see it again, I got you. Boom. It does not come with the chain. The accessories are sold separately, okay? Anyways, you guys, be on the lookout. The next video we're doing, and I'm just gonna say it, we're ceramic coating and we're doing the PPF. If you're not familiar with it, you're gonna get familiar with it. I'm gonna get you guys up to speed. Thank you for tuning into the video, man. The ceramic coating and the PPF video is coming up next, you guys. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man, as always, bro. But I'm getting out of here, bro. I'm about to go work out. Peace.